So in this session we are going to learn congruency of triangles. So stay tuned. We have two triangles. Their shape is same but their size is different. Now we have two objects. Their size is same. Size means area. Their size is same but their shapes are different. So now when we have two objects whose shape and size are equal, then in the language of mathematics we call them, these objects are congruent. So congruent triangles do not have to be in the same orientation or same position. They only have to be identical in size and shape. We can find congruency by moving or by flipping. If moving and flipping, they become exact copy of each other or overlap on each other, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Now when we flip or move and overlap two objects, the side which matches to the other side, we call it as a corresponding side. So in this, see, this side matches to this side. So these two sides are corresponding sides. Now this side matches to this side. So these two sides are corresponding sides. Now this side matches to this side. So these two sides are corresponding sides. So using corresponding sides and corresponding angles, we have different criteria to find the congruency of triangle. In next session, we are going to learn the criteria to find the congruency. So stay tuned.